It's a 2019 Audi A4. With a chiseled profile, luxurious cabin, and German-engineered performance, this A4 is the ultimate go-getter. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, smart device navigation, dual zone climate control, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto dimming rear view mirror, and auto shift manual transmission. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.